Okay, so for our learn, what we're going to do is read to understand events. So we're going to read aloud Act 1, Scene 1, lines 183 through 257 as you guys follow along. Um, that's for my face-to-face students. For my virtual students, you will have to read these lines individually, okay? And what you're going to do is respond to which of the following is the best summary of lines 183 through 257. Is it the first one where it says Lysander and Hermia meet with Helena? Hermia says that she wishes Demetrius loved her as much as he loved Helena. And Lysander and Hermia plan to leave Athens, and Helena says that she is going to tell Demetrius. Or is it Lysander and Hermia meet with Helena? Helena is upset that Demetrius loves Hermia and not her. Lysander and Hermia tell Helena of their plan to leave Athens, and Helena says that she will keep the lovers secret in order to protect their friendship. And finally, Lysander and Hermia meet with Helena, who is upset that Demetrius loves Hermia despite Hermia despising him. Lysander and Hermia also share their secret plan to leave Athens, but Helena says that she is going to tell Demetrius to get his attention. You are going to choose which one of these three best summarizes those lines, okay? Lines 183 through 257. And now Helene has entered the chat, so you're going to write your response in Google Docs as far as it applies to these questions where it says, how does Lysander feel about her? Meaning Helena. How does Demetrius feel about her? Meaning Helena. And how does Hermia feel about her? Meaning Helena. These are all the questions that you are going to respond to, okay? And then what you're going to do next, let me try to move that up. Yeah. Is you're going to read, stop. You're going to read Act 1, Scene 1, lines 183 through 257. And then you're going to annotate for figurative language using handout 4A below. So this handout here is what you are going to use, all right? Figurative language. So you're going to use that handout. Now, for those techies, you could definitely, if you know how to write on the actual document, feel free to do that. If not, Google Docs and then forward it to me, okay? So we are going to experiment with making evidence-based claims using our understanding of A Midsummer Night's Dream so far. So the question I'm posing is, should Hermia disobey her father? Because you know Hermia, Father Aegeus wants her to marry Demetrius. However, Hermia is in love with Lysander and she does not want to marry Demetrius. However, her father has asked Theseus to kill her if she does not marry Demetrius like he said. Remember, her father is asking this. So, do you say that no, she should not disobey her father, or yes, she should disobey her father? You will create a T-chart with sides labeled yes and no. Then you're going to locate evidence in Act 1, Scene 1 that could support the possible answer, whichever one you choose. So if you say yes, Hermia should disobey her father, you're going to write the evidence in the T-chart. Now students will then annotate evidence that could support the possible answer no. So you're going to choose yes and no. And once you choose yes, you're going to put and find all the evidence that supports that. And then on the other side, you're going to choose no and find all the evidence that supports that. And at the bottom of the T-chart, use the following sentence stem to state which set provides the strongest evidence. Is it that Hermia should disobey her father because of X, Y, and Z? Or is it that she should not disobey her father because of X, Y, and Z? You are going to write that at the very end of your T-chart. Okay?